historic $411 million verdict in a Zoom trial. Civil rights attorney Benjamin Crump, Taylor Kelko, Robert Cox, and their client, Duane Washington, were elated that justice was served by the hands of a Florida jury which returned a record $411,726,608 verdict of the veteran Washington, who was paralyzed in a 2018 45-vehicle interstate pileup. This case was the first virtual jury trial held in Florida's Second Circuit Court in northern Florida. Crump and Cox represented Duane Washington, a former career Army sergeant and resident of Gaston County, who was traveling home on his motorcycle via I-10 near Tallahassee on July 24, 2018, when he encountered a 45-vehicle pileup. The massive crash was caused by weather conditions coupled by speeding by a Top Auto Express Inc. commercial driver. Crump and Company alleged that Washington attempted to drive his motorcycle onto a median to avoid the pileup and the risk of other vehicles crashing into him. But before he could do so, Washington collided with a stopped truck that had no lights on in the emergency lane. The collision launched Washington into the median and left him with severe, life-threatening injuries. Quote, "This proud veteran sacrificed so much to serve our country and was a competent, safe driver who never even had a ticket while riding his motorcycle. The consequential negligence displayed by the top auto driver wrecked not only vehicles, but lives." Close quote. Crump said, quote, "This is a significant historic ruling for justice. COVID demanded an unprecedented Zoom trial, but it didn't stop the jury from hearing and understanding the evidence and returning a record verdict." Close quote. Washington sustained life-altering trauma, including breaking both sides of his pelvis away from his spine, severe colon and urethra damage, permanent incontinence, and loss of sexual function. Washington had a colostomy bag installed during his more than 6-month hospital stay and is in constant pain. Despite intensive physical therapy, Washington can walk only with a specialized arm clutch, and his right leg is withering. Top Auto of Miami, also known as Top Auto Express Inc., rejected the legal team's $1 million settlement offer. Washington's medical expenses alone amounted to nearly $750,000. Quote, "Mr. Washington may never feel physically comfortable again, but this verdict ensures that he will be well taken care of and his family will be financially secure." Close quote, Cox said.